Hello everyone, we are doing 2026 case study question. A leafy ball fountain is kept on a tabletop and water gently cascades down the ball in a decorative cylindrical pool in this. So given to us a diameter of the spherical ball is 21. That means the radius of the spherical ball is 21 by 2 centimeters. The cylindrical pool outer diameter is given 50 and the inner diameter is given 40 centimeter. The height of the solid base is given to you as 14 centimeter and the water filled up to 7 centimeter. That means the total height of cylinder is 21 centimeter. You have to add 7 plus 14 to get the total height of cylinder. So determine the total height of the fountain. So total height of fountain, I am marking with the red color, will be this height of the solid base plus the diameter of the ball. So total height is 14 plus 21, which is 35 centimeters. Next question, you have to find the volume of the ball. So volume of the ball is, as it is a sphere, so volume of the ball will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. So putting the values, 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 and r is 21 by 2 whole cube. So opening this, 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2, 7 3 21, 21 cancel out, this will cancel out and this will 11. So 11 into 441 centimeter cube is the volume of the ball. So which comes out to be 4851 centimeter cube, 4851 centimeter cube. Next part. So in the next part, if 1/3 of the ball is submerged in the water, find the volume of water filled in the pool. 1/3 of the ball, that means the whole diameter is 21 and 1/3 of 21 will give you 7 centimeter. Now try to analyze this question. 7 centimeter means this height is 7 centimeter, and if you take a ball and this ball diameter is given to you as 21 centimeter and you are cutting 1/3 of this, so somewhere here, and this height which I have marked with the white color is your 7 centimeter. Now with the base of what you have learned in the 10th grade, we cannot find the volume of this because at this time we don't know what is the radius. Radius cannot be taken 7 because this is not hemisphere. Hemisphere is also half of the sphere. This is something which we are getting by cutting 1/3 of the ball. So this question framing is wrong, or if we need to do it, we can do it by integration. This cannot be done by 10th syllabus because 10th syllabus cannot include how to find when you cut a sphere 1/3 and how to calculate the volume of that part. Suppose we get to know the volume of water in the 1/3 spherical ball. Then what will be the volume of water in the pool? Then at that time it is volume of water in the cylinder, that means pi r square, where r is your 20, inner diameter is 40, so inner radius is 20 and height is up to 7 centimeter, the water is filled, so pi r square h minus the volume of this part, because that much water is displaced by the ball when it's submerged in the water. So for the OR question, we have to find the sum of the outer curved surface area of cylinder. So curved surface area of cylinder plus the surface area of the ball. That means curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r of the cylinder and height of the cylinder plus surface area of the ball, that means 4 pi r square and radius of the ball. So putting the values, 2 into 22 by 7. Radius of the cylinder, the outer radius is 50 diameter is 50 centimeters, so radius is 25, and height of the cylinder is 14 plus 7, which is 21, plus 4 into 22 by 7 into radius of the ball is 21 by 2 whole square. So simplifying this, from here 7 and 3, so you will get 2 into 22 into 25 into 3, which gives you 100 into 11 into 3, plus, now simplifying this also, I'm cancelling out 121 and 3 and 2 4s here, so you are left with 22 into 21 into 3. So this gives you 3300 plus 126 into 11, which comes out to be 3300 plus 1386. Adding both, you will get 4686 centimeter square. So this is the surface area of the ball plus cylinder. I hope this is clear to you. If you have any doubt, please message me in the comment box.